Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 42 how to tweet a YouTube video link on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, and the video link we are going to tweet. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter. Make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, and then open up another tab. Go to YouTube Studio. Go to videos. Make sure you have a public video. I'll just go to filter, visibility, public, apply. And now we have all the public videos. Go to any video you wish to. I'll just take one from the top, click on this, and then take the title, highlight, copy, go back to Twitter, tweet, paste, go back to YouTube Studio, and then take the link on the right hand side of the page, click on copy video link, and now go back to Twitter, Command V to paste, use a couple of hashtags if required to, tweet, and now the video link shows up on screen. If we Command Alt to refresh the page, there is the video link. Go back once. Go back to your dashboard. Close out of YouTube Studio Beta. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.